Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace the lights under the dash on the both passenger and driver side. And if you follow the channel, you know that I'm partnered with Auxito. Plus it's my favorite brand ever since I started the channel. This is the only LEDs I love and trust in all my vehicles. So let's get on to it. As always, discount code and the website to order these will be in the description below. So I'll be upgrading from these crappy halogens. Y'all know I hate halogen bulbs. So we're gonna be replacing this. I'm gonna switch y'all around. Alright, so to get the halogen, you can either remove it from here. My fingers is too big, so I'm gonna actually take it out from the back. So if you can see where my hand is, just twist and pull out. And then that'll expose the halogen. Now we're gonna get our LEDs. So we got them right here. And then just put it in. So positive goes to this pinkish wire. And then negative, ground, is the black wire, yellow wire, sorry. So put that. Then stick it back into its hole. And then just twist and lock in place. Now we're gonna go to the opposite side. Alright, so on the passenger side, it's a little more easier to access. It's right here. Just twist, pull out. It's the same thing. Pull out the bulb. Place it with our LEDs from Auxito. And it's the same thing as the driver's side. Positive is the pinkish wire. And then yellow is the ground, the negative wire. And it also has little indicators on it. Positive and negative. And you don't ever want to touch the LEDs, just grip the sides. These are 6000K LEDs. And then just put it back in its place. And then lock it in place. And that's how you replace your underdash. Let me turn the brightness off or flash. And that's how you replace the StepWell lights in the 7th Gen Max. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.